showing you my Rubik's Cube collection. There's not that many, but I need to go get them. So let me try to find them. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure if I will be able to find them. I'm pretty sure they're in this dresser. Okay, let me figure out. Yep, this is definitely the drawer. I found them up. Now, I need to bring these downstairs, so I'm going to need to put them down, so yeah, I know my cube collection looks a little bit small. That's because it's missing one tiny cube that I don't know where it is, but just deal with it, okay? And plus, I haven't got that much money, okay? Well, actually, I have like 105, but I don't have that much money for Rubik's cubes. But anyways, let's get started. First, I have the 3x3 Rubik's cube. Doesn't turn that well, just like normal Rubik's. Yeah, that's the only 3x3 I have. Just this one over here, though. Next, we have the 2x2. And it's the Rubik's 2x2 again. It's Rubik's, yeah. Don't hate me for having Rubik's cube. I mean Rubik's. Okay, that's bad. Let's get that out of here. Next, we have the Panamax. It's not made by Rubik's. I'm not even sure what it's made by. Of course, if you can read that, camera focus. If you can kind of maybe read that, can you tell me in the comments if there's comments on this video? Yeah, you can't read it because of the fuzz, but it says yeah, I'm not reading that. Wait, it's pretty good. Ceramics. Let's get that out of here, please. Next, we have the Rubik's Square. It's really easy. It's like one of the only puzzles I've ever solved. Yeah. Here, I'm just going to do a quick solve. I'm just going to do a quick solve. Now I'm going to solve it. What is this? By the way, my parents are working in the garden. Sorry if you can hear that noise. There we go. Yeah, but anyways, it's really easy puzzles for 3-year-olds. Okay, next up we have the Rubik's Tower. I've never actually solved it before. I've never actually gotten. I don't even know how to get it in a tower form. Somehow my mom got it, but I don't know where my dad did. Yeah, it's a weird puzzle. Let's get out of here. Next up, we got the Tinies. Probably can't even see them because they're tiny. But I got a SpongeBob one that looks weird. Right here. Yeah. Then I got a Transformers one, which I've never been able to solve probably. Get that out of here. Then I got a sports keychain one. I don't even know how to. I did not turn it. Never mind. Okay, but then this last one is just. This is my oldest Rubik's Cube ever. And fun fact, the 2x2 was actually my first ever Rubik's Cube that was full size that I ever got. This cube sucks. Get out of here. Yeah! Okay, anyways, that is my cube collection. The only cube I didn't review or show you is the one that's missing because I don't know where it is. But if you count this a cube, which I don't, so get it out of here. But make sure you subscribe, like, and probably no comments, because, you know, I'm a kid. But anyways, goodbye.